Sir, I'm their stepmother. I want to take them back to their father. They've been away from home for too long. And it's causing problems between us.
Hey, young man, come back. Take it easy, take it easy. Is that true?
It's a lie! It's a lie! We don't know how! She wants to kidnap us.
Well, shut up! Shut up! Sir, don't listen to these miscreants. That's how they are. By the way, why do you think I should be answerable to you?
If you care to know, maybe I should introduce myself to you properly. Detective Simon Ogbujuaga of the State Security Department. I think I am interested in this case.
Sir, see, they are just my stepchildren and I'm taking them back home, that's all.